Hey there, explorers! Welcome to another exciting journey into the world of web development. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of JavaScript, the dynamic language that brings websites to life and makes them interactive. Imagine a website as a stage. HTML sets up the stage, providing the structure. CSS adds the decorations, making it visually appealing. But it's JavaScript that makes the show truly exciting and interactive. JavaScript lets you add interactive elements, animations, and cool effects that make websites not just functional but also fun and engaging for users. Without JavaScript, websites would be like static brochures. They might be pretty to look at, but they wouldn't offer much in terms of user interaction or engagement. JavaScript adds that extra layer of interactivity and dynamism that makes websites come alive, allowing users to interact with content in meaningful ways. From simple button clicks to complex animations, JavaScript is the magic behind the scenes. JavaScript was created way back in 1995, during a time when the internet was just starting to gain traction. It was developed by a clever programmer named Brendan Eich, who was working at Netscape Communications Corporation. Back then, the internet was still quite young and websites were pretty basic, mostly static pages with limited interactivity. Brendan wanted a way to make websites more dynamic and interactive, so he created JavaScript in just 10 days. This was a remarkable feat, considering the complexity of the task. Since then, JavaScript has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It has evolved significantly over the years, adapting to the changing needs of web development. Today, it's used by millions of developers to create everything from simple websites to complex web applications. JavaScript's versatility and power have made it an essential tool in the modern developer's toolkit. With the advent of various frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, and Vue.js, JavaScript continues to push the boundaries of what's possible on the web. Now let's get our hands dirty and learn some basic JavaScript concepts. JavaScript is a versatile and powerful language used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. First up, we have variables. Think of variables like containers that hold information. They are fundamental building blocks in any programming language. You can give them names and store different types of data in them, like numbers, words, or even true or false values. Variables help you manage and manipulate data efficiently. Next, we have functions, which are like sets of instructions that tell the computer what to do. Functions are essential for breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable tasks. Functions can take input, perform actions, and return results. They allow you to encapsulate code logic and reuse it whenever needed, making your code more modular and easier to maintain. They're like little helpers that make your code more organized and reusable. By using functions, you can avoid repetition and keep your code base clean and efficient. Finally, we have events. Events are things that happen on a web page, like a mouse click, a key press, or even just the page loading. Events are crucial for creating interactive user experiences. JavaScript lets you listen for these events and respond accordingly, making your websites interactive and dynamic. By handling events, you can create responsive interfaces that react to user actions in real time, enhancing the overall user experience. Section 4, JavaScript in Action Real-World Examples. Let's see some real-world examples of JavaScript in action. Have you ever noticed how when you click a button on a website, something happens? That's JavaScript at work. JavaScript can be used to create interactive forms, image carousels, and even games. Another cool example is animations. JavaScript can be used to create smooth transitions, fading effects, and even complex animations that bring websites to life. Section 5. Why learn JavaScript? Learning JavaScript opens up a world of possibilities. You can create your own websites, build web applications, and even develop games. JavaScript is a valuable skill to have in today's digital world, and it's a lot of fun to learn. Plus, learning to code helps you develop problem-solving skills and think creatively. It's like solving puzzles, but with code. Section 6. Conclusion, your JavaScript adventure begins. Congratulations, explorers, you've just taken your first steps into the exciting world of JavaScript. Remember, learning to code takes time and practice, but with dedication and curiosity, you'll be creating amazing things in no time. Now go out there and start coding.